guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mydah and I'm a freelance makeup and session stylist based here in Paris. I bring to you content related to hair, makeup, skin. So let's get straight into the video. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you're a big fan of Shahrukh Khan like millions of others and me. Today we are going to do this look which was published in Vogue Beauty India, and I thought that the makeup artist did a great job with this makeup. It's very natural. For this look, I feel like the focus should be on skincare because her skin is absolutely gorgeous. It feels like she lives in an esthetician's palace or something. I've never seen her within sit in my life, and I have been following her for years. I feel like we need to focus more on the skin prep rather than the makeup itself. By using the Marine Hyaluronics by The Ordinary, I feel like it's a very lightweight formula compared to the hyaluronic acid of this. The molecules are smaller, so it's a lot easier to penetrate into the skin. The first thing I'm going to do is hydrate my lips because my lips look really chappy, and for this look she has such gorgeous lips. I'm applying the Elizabeth 8-hour cream on my lip, then I'm going to apply an eye cream. So I'm using the Roche Posay Pigmentclar. I'm going to link everything in the description box so that you guys can actually see what they are. For moisturizer, I'm going to use Skin Food by Weleda. So I'm going to focus it on the high points of my face and then work out everything that's left through the rest of my face. I'm really gonna warm up the product, massage it all over my skin. This is something that I really enjoy. It's not a very heavy look. It looks really clean. I'm gonna take my foundation. You can take any foundation, but I would recommend something that is lighter in texture. So I'm using the Fresh Wear foundation by L'Oreal. But you can use any foundation that you have. So I'm just going to dot the foundation all over my face and create a second skin. Don't forget your ears because I feel like sometimes we do forget them, and they are a clear giveaway. They tend to get red when we have any serious emotions, like if you're scared or if you're nervous, if you're hot, if you're cold. So please don't forget. I like the coverage so far. It's light, and if you guys can see, so I'm using the LA Pro Yellow Over Corrector for under my eyes because I feel like right now we can really use the color correct. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, apply it under my eye where I feel like I have the most darkness. Actually conceal Maybelline Age Rewind. I think it's in the color medium. Yeah. Don't forget the inner corners, especially for the people who wear glasses, because this is the area that tends to get dark over time with the use of specs. Okay. For the brows, looking at the picture, I feel like they fill them in using a powder and just left them as is. So we're gonna do the same. So I have this Pro palette by Anastasia. Like if you have any other powder, you can use that. So I'm using dark brown and I'm just filling in the areas that I feel like need filling in. So I just took a stiff eyebrow brush by Spectrum brushes. So I'm just gonna take some silk brows and just go through my hair to actually keep them in place, going towards the eyes. You can use an eye pencil as well. I'm using a cream pencil. So I have this one. This is by Extreme Lashes by Jo Musidi. So I just zoomed in for the eyes so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna focus this cream shadow. I'm just gonna shape my eye. So if you want, you can use the same tape method for this one as well and then blend it out later if you want to know that trick. So I'm gonna link it up here so that you can go watch that video and see what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna focus on the lash line to actually make it look thicker like hers because I feel like that's what they did with her. So I'm not bringing it all the way, just halfway in and then just blending it out to give the elongated eyes look, but keeping it soft. You wanna go layer by layer instead of applying too much of the product and then trying to figure out how to blend it. I feel like they brought it down here as well. You just want to make sure that you buff it in because we're going to put eyeshadow over it, so it's not that big of a deal even if it's a little bit messy. It's just to create some depth into the eyes. So as you can see, this is what we've done so far. I'm using this palette, Love in London by Nyx Cosmetics. So I'm taking this shade Scone and this is a bony color and I'm just putting it all over my lid. Now I'm taking the color Cheers from the same palette into my crease to give it more depth, and now I'm bringing it inwards towards my brow bone. Whereas I'm gonna mix the color Lolly and Cheeky and then just putting it on the lid to bring some color to it. So now I'm going to take the same brush that I did earlier to blend out the cream shadow. I'm just going to take the color Crumpet and just focus this in the areas that we did earlier to set my cream shadow. Now I'm going to take a black gel pencil and just focus it on the outer corner of my eyes to really bring depth towards the outer corners. Now again, taking the same blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out and upwards. I'm gonna use the same color thumbprint and just put it on over the color of the pencil to diffuse it. As you can see, now I'm gonna use the same black pencil and I'm gonna do the waterline. So to apply my individual lashes, so I'm using the clusters of 3 by Ardell. Just gonna look down into my mirror, dipping it into my lash glue and look down into the mirror and then place it onto your lashes. So as you can see, the eyes look a lot bigger. So now to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna fill the waterline with a nude eye pencil. Some people like to apply mascara before they apply lashes. I like to do it after because I feel like it helps bring the lashes together with your own lashes. Using this blush by Jouer. For the bronzer, I feel like she really went in with the bronzer in this look. So I'm gonna do the same. For me, I'm using this City Bronzer by Maybelline. I'm trying to use the things that I haven't depotted yet so I can actually show you the packaging, because half of my makeup is depotted into something else and it doesn't look like it did with the original packaging. It's not as cool as a real contour shade, but it's a good bronzer. So if you're looking for a drugstore alternative to something like Hoola by Benefit, this is a really good option considering that I haven't set my face. It blends really well. So for highlighter, I feel like her highlighter is so natural and it feels like she's glowing from within. So for looks like this, I like to use a liquid highlighter rather than a powder one because I have very few powder highlighters that would look that natural. So I'm just using this Becca Shimmering Perfector liquid in Champagne Pop, and I'm just putting it on the high points on my face and then just blending it with my fingers. You can build it up to be blinding, but for this look I feel like this is all you need. So for the lip, she has a really light nude lip, and I'm gonna try and create that lipstick because I'm gonna take this soft lip contouring pencil in the shade Nude Painting. It's by Essence. So this is a really nude color and it's gonna help me cancel out any color that I have my own lips. And then I'm gonna try and mimic her lips by creating a bigger lower lip. Okay, so I've gotten it somewhat nude. Now I'm going to add a little bit of warmth to this color. I'm just taking my pink lip palette. I'm gonna use it as a lip stain rather than a lip color because they've literally just used a lip stain on her. That's what I feel. I feel like this is a little bit better and a lot less corpsey. Then to get the diffused lip look, I'm gonna take a flat blending brush. I'm just gonna blend the edges. She has a little bit of shimmer on her lips that's making her lips look more plump than usual, like she needs it. And voila! So I feel like this is a really wearable look and you can really pull it off in any day event. If you change up the lip a little bit, you can even pull it off in the night. So I feel like it's something that's very versatile and I'm really glad that I tried it out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every Friday, and do let me know what you thought of this recreation in the comments below. I'd love to know your reviews. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!